Hi viewers, welcome to all. Here we are discuss about a project low cost and programmable CRC implementation based on FPGA. The cyclic redundancy check is a well-known error detecting code that is commonly used in Ethernet, PCI and other transmission protocol. In a high performance environment of current FPGA based implementation solutions encounter the problem of excessive resource utilization in high performance scenarios. In this proposed method to reduce the zero pausing problems in the existing cyclic redundancy check and introduce a shifting and XOR based technique with the polynomial security codes. It will increases more security and critical path delay in all digital signal processing based transmission application. Thus, the proposed cyclic redundancy implementation to prove the higher resources utilization in multiple data width of 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit, 64-bit and 128-bit data width. Finally, this work was developed in Verilog HDL and synthesized in Xilinx Vertex 5 FPGA and proved all the performance in area, delay and power. Okay, now we can verify the base paper. So this is a base paper title and the abstract. Okay, this paper is full and fully focused for this CRC method, cyclic redundancy check method, and they are implemented this work in the existing application of HWICAP. Okay, and it will reduce the number of padding zeros in a uncertain CRC calculations. Okay, so this is a existing architecture. Okay, so we are remodify this architectures with XOR and shifting method. Okay, so this is a proposed architecture for CRC calculation. Okay, so once we are given a CRC data input, it will be shifted with 1 bit. Okay, and we are taken as a CRC polynomial value. This value also shifted with 1 bit. Okay, then will be exerted. Okay, and the output of this XOR output will be ANDed with some constant value. Okay, and the AND gate output will be XORed and it will be again XOR to CRC with CRC polynomial. Okay, so this process will be executed at a 8 times for 16-bit data width. Okay, so this is a data width. Okay, so this work we are developed in Verilog HDL. This is a test bench code and this is a top model for CRC implementation. Okay, and this is a simulation. Okay, so here we are given as an input 8601. Okay, it will be calculated on here the CRC part. Okay, and finally it will come up with the CRC value 33032. Okay, and we are parallelly given to the CRC data check. Okay, so that data check value will be given as a fail. Okay, why? Because here the CRC check data we are given 3301, but here it will become 3302. If you are given a correct value in that CRC 33032, okay, and we will be execute this simulation means. Okay, so now the CRC will be pass. Okay, so we can possible to change the n size value on here. Okay, so if you are need 64 data width means you can change the n size and you can execute it on 64 data width. Okay, so you can check the value here. The CRC check data and the CRC data output will be different. Okay, and it will be project as a CRC fail. Okay, so here what is the value? 89300 53316. Now we are executing the code. Okay, you can check the output. CRC will be pass. Okay, so this CRC calculation we can possible to use as a encryption and decryption application. Okay, so this CRC generations we can use as a encryption side and CRC checking we can use as a decryption side. And now we can verify the synthesis part of this CRC implementation. So this is a Xilinx implementation. Okay, so you can check here for slice registers, LUTs, occupied slice registers, IO base and delay. Okay, and power. So this is a power output. Okay, 0.848. Okay, so for this data width you can change it on here. Okay, So this is a 16. Okay, so if you are needed a 64 or 128 data width means you can change it on here. You can run the Xilinx part again. Now you can check the 128 data width of slice registers, LUTs, occupied slice registers, IO bus and delay. Okay, so and power. So whatever size you are needed, you can change the n value and you can synthesize it. Okay, here 128 data width, it will be take 0.943. okay, you can check the comparisons on here. Okay, so this is a comparison for 8-bit CRC, 16-bit CRC, 32-bit, 64-bit, 128-bit, and we are compare number of slice registers, number of LUTs, number of occupied slices, number of IO bits, delay, power, and this is a comparison analysis chart. Okay, and we are written abstract document for this project. So this is a title and base paper abstract, enhancement of this project. For this enhancement, to design an novelty based CRC implementation using shifting and XOR technique and prove the performance of area, delay and power, implementing CRC generation and CRC checking at 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit, 64-bit data width. Okay, so this is a proposed title and proposed abstract, existing system, disadvantages, proposed system, proposed architecture, advantages and related notes. Okay, and finally literature survey, references. Thank you.
If you need more video related with VLSI projects implementation, please like and subscribe this channel.